Alright, I'm back again. I'm getting ready to make another video. So this title of this video is going to be the door knock prank. Alright, so here's the plan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down there. I'm going to go to my front door and I'm going to pretend to close my room door and stuff. I'm gonna quietly sneak out the back door and climb the fence and knock the door. And my mom's going to come and she's going to wonder who it is. And I'm going to run off. I'm going to keep doing it. And we're going to see if I can piss her off. Here we go. She went to the bathroom. It's probably gonna take her a long time for her to get out. I was so close. I actually thought she was gonna come in here. I'd be kind of screwed. I wouldn't be screwed. She was asking me what I'm doing. Alright. So, this is not the end of the video. I'm gonna wait for her to get out. I'm gonna go out to the back door. I'm gonna check to see if she comes. This might take a while for her to come out. Here we go. I think she's coming.
Yeah?